Hey everybody, it's Gary and Yvette Dempsey. Today we're touring this brand new development out in Spring Hill. That's Williamson County. The name of the development is called SaddleWalk at June Lake. It's beautiful. We got 3 homes to tour with you today, and we can't wait to show them to you. Just stay tuned and sit back and relax and enjoy the tour.
Whatever. Yeah, the wonderful thing about that is that it speaks to people.
Finding a home is about more than just 4 walls. It's about finding a community that shares your heart. From our historic main streets to these rolling green hills, Nashville offers the pace of life you won't find anywhere else. I'm Gary with Elam Real Estate, a Christian-based brokerage here in Nashville. We love working with patriots who love our country as much as we do. If that sounds like you, let's connect. My details are in the description below. All right, so we're starting at the main model home. The staff here is using this as their office and their main showroom. Yvette, what are your first impressions as we walked into this beautiful space?
Well, as soon as I walked in, I was wowed by the floor plan, by the colors, the light palette. I mean, look at this place. I mean, there's a lot of attention to detail here. I mean, if you look around and you see all the finishing touches everywhere.
Yeah, I noticed the high ceilings and the unique floor plan where it's all open and then it looks like a loft upstairs, but it's a whole giant area. And already I think this is my favorite spot of the house. What do you think?
Yeah, I mean, this looks like a full additional like bonus outdoor living space, and it's, you know, open air. And look at this. I mean, this is like the next best thing to having a backyard.
Yeah, it's like a side yard. I think I'd have my cigar smoking lounge right there. And, you know, obviously some nice dinners out there. And now we're walking into the second model. It's called the Lockland plan. 3.5 baths, 2,759 square feet. I think, Yvette, this was your favorite one, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was my favorite because, I mean, it was just as beautiful as the other ones. It was on a smaller scale. I think, personally, this one would suit me if I was going to move in here because it's smaller. But look at this beautiful floor plan. I mean, look at the colors. I've never seen these this type of color palette before. And the floor plan is so functional. I mean, look at this little desk here and this beautiful wallpaper.
Yeah, so this was all styled by a decorator, and so obviously when you buy one of these, this would be a blank palette. They're going to just have, you know, white walls or, you know, natural colored walls, and all this stuff is up to you. Of course, if you've got the funds, you can go ahead and hire a designer to help you build all this stuff. But, you know, the part of this whole thing is, you know, making it your own. But I think they did a great job at showcasing this. And, you know, when a buyer walks through a home like this and it's all staged, you know, it leaves out a lot of questions because, you know, a lot of homes you walk into and you're like, I don't know, would I put a chair there, a desk there? What would I do with this space? So, but you know, what's really nice is the high ceilings, the high doors, and all this wainscoting here. And it's really nice, this beautiful laundry room. There's another bedroom down here, and just beautiful.
Yeah, so this is the first master bedroom on the first floor, and it's got an ensuite bathroom, a walk-in closet. Look at this. Look at all this space. Beautiful bathrooms. The beautiful cabinets. We've got the commode here and a shower. Beautiful tiling.
Yeah, super nice. So this community is going to be very large. SaddleWalk at June Lake. They've got townhomes starting in the 500,000s. I believe this unit here starts in the upper 600,000s, and they go all the way up to almost 1.4. But you're in Williamson County, which is the most desirable county in the area, in pretty much all of Tennessee. This is where everyone's moving to from out of state It's got the best schools. The cities here are great. All the shopping, everything's convenient. What's going to be awesome about this place is that they're going to have commercial businesses in here as well. So, you can walk out of your door and just down the street, and there'll be a coffee shop, there'll be restaurants, there'll even be a gas station inside the community. So what they're really trying to do is focus your family, make it super safe so you can go out and enjoy your neighborhood knowing that it's safe, and then also have all the amenities close by.
Yeah, that sounds nice, like having your own little city within the community.
Did you see that 11-acre lake when we drove in?
Not only did I see it, I was admiring these beautiful geese swimming. That's gorgeous.
Yeah, it's got a state-of-the-art amenity center. So it's got a swimming pool, a world-class fitness center, outdoor lounge with fireplace. It's got pickleball courts, which seems to be an essential now. The homes all have these, 20-foot high ceilings with floating staircases. A lot of them have beautiful front porch living. It's just a great place. There is tremendous value in this place. Okay, this is the last one that we saw. Another beautiful model home. They have over 51 floor plans. So really the best way to, find out about this community is to actually visit. We're here. We'd be happy to take you down and set an appointment, and we walk in and kind of let them know what we're looking for, and they would point us in the direction of the homes that sort of fit your budget, your criteria, what you're looking for as far as size and amenities and all that good stuff. But the people there are really helpful, and I don't think you can go wrong. When you're saying 500,000 to 1.3, this area, if you're in Williamson County, this probably is some of the best value you're going to see in this area. It's just tremendous value, and I'm just really impressed by the floor plans in these homes. You can see these totally, high ceilings and these staircases that take you to a whole nother, level of luxury, and but it's functional too. Don't you love this living room?
Yeah, I mean, look at all that wide open space. It opens up to the second floor, and I noticed one of those floating staircases that you mentioned earlier. And here we have the kitchen. I mean, these kitchens, I was so impressed with them. And look at it. It's not the usual stainless steel. It was some other brand that I wasn't familiar with, but look at how beautiful that fits in with the counters and stuff.
Yeah, another formal dining room, which is great. A lot of new builders aren't adding those in for sake of space and other things, but I think it's really nice to have that. The dues on these start at $125 a month, which is HOA dues, which is very low. I've been in communities where they start at $400 or $500. There's going to be a total of 400 single-family residents and townhomes when it's all complete. So once it's built, then that's it. So this is the time to get in. Right now when they're getting built, you can kind of go in there and take your pick. A lot of these homes have already been sold, but it's great. You like those wooden walls.
I did. I was very taken by them, and just everything in general. Oh, here's the upstairs. Additional bonus living space to be had up here. I mean, this floor plan, I was just so impressed with it. I mean, I think this would be ideal for like an extended family, like a big family living in this particular floor plan.
Yeah. So it takes, to buy a brand new one, the total time to build one of these is typically between 6 and 7 months. Each home site is designated a predetermined color palette group to maintain a unique streetscape. So the outside will be predetermined, but the inside you can do a lot of customization too. You'll pick a specific palette with the palette group and a brick color at your pre-design appointment. So what's really cool is you sit down in the office there and sit with a designer, the design team, and you know, choose exactly what you want to have in these places, which makes it really nice. And you know, the total cost is going to be determined by obviously what floor plan you pick and what you add to it. But what's great about a place like this is that you know, it's all a one-stop shop. And what's nice too is you're going to have a builder's warranty in all of these, so anything goes wrong for the first year of these things, the builder go ahead and fix it. So I'd say it's a win. What do you think?
Yeah, it's a win-win situation.
Win-win situation. So if you like these videos, please stick around, like and subscribe. But really what we like you to do is reach out. If you want to know more about homes in Middle Tennessee, Nashville, got plenty here to show you. And we've been doing this for over 20 years, so we'd love to be working with you, especially if you're relocating. We relocated from California ourselves about 4.5 years ago. We absolutely love it. We just thank you so much for spending some time with us today. Have a great day.